Hello, boys and girls. So, I uploaded a video about me 1v1 in Baller. By the way, shout to that person. He's one of my friends on Discord, and one of them, my first friend on Discord, and then my 190, no, my 150 friend on. Yeah, says loud. Holy, this game! Oh wait, okay, first time I joined, I'm like, okay, dude. Come here. Hi, dude. Oh, what? Come here. Get. No! The smelly little fart person. Get out of here. Hi, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, dude. Come. This guy, I'm up. Goodbye. That was funny. Hi, I'm in a 3 HP, dude. What's up, sir? Oh. I just, oh, dude. Oh.
Wow, I wish I could be that guy.
Get out of here, mate. Can this guy not die? Like, dude, I was sitting there for a minute or so. So but I feel bad for that person. Hey, buddy. Blow yourself up, please. That'd be funny if I come by and he blows up himself. I did. Oh no. Oh. He blowed up me. Ah. Okay. Sorry, little smelly farts. Come here. Come here, boy. This guy's taking down everyone? Jesus. No. Oh! No! Really, dude? You're gonna... No! I just got headshotted twice over there. Whoa! Can I even, spawn and walk? I didn't even get this. It's okay. I was the first person goddamn hit him. But... Okay, stuff does 7 damage. Alright. No! I would have got knifed, but heaven to God I didn't. Let's go. I did. What's wrong with him? I'll take him out, dude. Oh, I can't knife this person. Get out of here. Oh. That was the end, really, dude? Aww. Oh, this guy took the IO team 1, wait. Let's go. Come on. We won. You guys did it. We won. What's in the shop today? I don't know these! Dude, I don't know these, dude. That's trash. I don't know them. Really? No. Oh, wow. So I'm just gonna do this match and that's gonna be done. Okay. I didn't even get the assist. Okay, dude. Oh my god. I need to get my mouse pad. Be right back. Okay. Okay, I got my mouse pad. Okay, I'm moving faster and... Oh! Get smacked in the head, dude. Hey, sir. Hi there. You die, please. I was gonna, really gonna steal my kill. What? Stop stealing my kill! By the way, I'm uploading a video. Sorry if I was uploading a video late. I have school stuff that it took me like an hour to do. Then I had to go outside and get wet. Torture. I was soaked in. Well, they go with it. Get out of here. No! Please don't kill me. This mouse pad is too fast. Jeez, no, please, sir. Kill him, dude. Okay, this person has. Does this person have burn attacks? Oh. I don't get how he killed me that fast. Come on, thank you. I love shotguns. I pow people in the head with this. Hi, dude. Oh, that was good. I know it. Okay. Get out of here. No, 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 no. I didn't get the assist. Come here. Okay. What? Oh, double headshot sniper, dude. Let's go. Hey. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Wait, take it down. Oh. Oh, no! If I got backstabbed, that would have been the worst feel of my life. Baby me! Yes. Thank you. Hi. I'm stuck. Hi there. Get out of here. What? Huh? I don't get that. Come here, little smelly 40. Oh. Oh no, not ice star. I thought these were ninja stars. For example, but actually ice stars, if you can see down there. Oh my god, I do not want to do this. No! You're gonna lose, dude! What? Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye bye.